Ross from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making?
Today we're making a really simple summer drink. We're getting close to there. Spring is here. Iced coffee.
Iced coffee.
Iced coffee is pretty easy to make.
Okay.
We're going to use some Baileys, we're going to use some Kahlua, and we're going to use some cream. You could use milk if you want, and of course we're going to use coffee. So this is for a single, double it, or triple it, however many people you've got. We're going to put 2 of the Baileys.
Okay, so I'm going to double this, so I'm going to put 4.
Okay. And then we're going to put 2 of the cream, so you're going to put 4.
Sure.
And then the Kahlua. And so you'd put 1, so put 2 in.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and shake that up first, because this is kind of a 2-part drink. So Jamie's gonna go ahead and shake that up. It's on ice. And because it's iced coffee, we've got ice in our Collins glasses.
Okay.
And now you're gonna pour that about halfway up.
Okay.
Strain out the ice. Yep, about like that. Maybe a little more. Sure.
Okay.
Go ahead.
You're good?
The coffee.
Okay, so iced coffee. This is an iced coffee maker. It's pretty cool. Lid comes off, and there's a filter that goes into the bottom. We're using our road coffee. Fill it up with your grounds, goes up, fill it up with water, let it sit in your fridge for 24 hours. And then boom, you have iced coffee.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and
Put that in on top of our Baileys and Kahlua and cream mixture. Now, if you really wanted to make it sort of macchiato, you can put whipped cream to impress your friends, maybe some shavings of some semi-sweet chocolate, and maybe a drizzle of caramel on top of that, if they were really good friends.
there you go.
If they're just neighbors, don't worry about it. This is probably good enough. But then we're gonna stir this up a little bit to incorporate those. Stir that up. All right. And then,
Perfect.
if you like a straw, I'm gonna use a straw.
I'll throw one in my drink.
Just because I like to stir it up a little bit as I'm going here. But there's your traditional iced coffee.
Iced
You
coffee.
really can't go wrong with that. Refreshing.
That is good.
And that would be good in the morning too, right?
All day.
Get rid of the brewed stuff and go straight in.
That's an all-day drink.
Delicious. Cheers everyone.
Cheers.
Iced coffee.